Final problem for this particular topic. The final problem is the number of hours T required to finish a job. Okay, so finish a job what varies inversely as the number of persons N on the job. So T is the number of hours, N is the number of person na magtatrabaho. So if 16 persons require 18 hours, so marami-rami na yan, how long to finish a job? To finish the job, how long would it take 64 persons to finish a job? Kung pansinin mo, yung una is 16, yung number of time na trabaho sila is 18 hours. Ibig sabihin, kung mas maraming tao magtatrabaho, do you think mas mabilis ba yung kanilang magiging trabaho? So, tingnan natin. Pag-aralan natin dito sa ating magiging example. So, sabi dito, because the T, the time, and the N are what we should say inversely proportion or inverse proportion, then we can use the method that we used earlier. So, T's of 1, that is, when you multiply it to N's of 1, that is equal to T's of 2 multiplied by N's of 2. Okay? So, this is the first set of persons na nagtrabaho, 16 person and 18 hours. Ito yung pangalawa. Okay? So, ito yung mga given. These are the given. The givens are givens. Okay, given our T's of 1 is equal to yung pinakauna. So, ibig sabihin, ang mga nagtrabaho dito ay yung unang time ng trabaho sila, that is 18 hours. Okay? So, we also have N's of 1. Okay, N's of 1. Ito yung number of persons na nagtrabaho ng 18 hours. That is equal to what? That is equal to 16. Okay? Also, on the other hand, meron din tayong given na ito sa S of 1. Ito yung hahanapin natin, no? Ang hahanapin natin is how long. Pag sinabing how long, that is the time. Okay? So, T's of 2, yan ang hahanapin natin. Then, given na rin yung N's of 2. N's of 2 natin is 64 persons. Okay? Again, 64 person ang N's of 2 natin. So, this is gonna be the solution. Using this formula representation, we can be able to find the particular solution. So, we have T's of 1, that is 18. N's of 1, that is 16. Okay? Equals sa T's of 2, that is missing. Okay? N's of 2, that is 64. Simplifying this one, 18 times 16, which gives us 288. T's of 2 times 64, that is 64 T's of 2. Okay, so dividing both sides by 64, that will give us T's of 2. Okay, T's of 2, pwede mo salatan yan. T's of 2 is equal to 4.5 hours. Okay? So, imagine mo, no, kung mas marami pa pala kayo nag-work, no, 64 kayo nag-work, mas mabilis yung time para ma-finish yung job, which is 4.5 hours. Okay? So, the more, the merrier dito sa ating example number 4. And for you to practice this particular skill, I want you to practice the process and write and answer this particular try number 4. Follow the process in the previous example. Write it in your notebook. And I believe this concludes our session for today. It's a long way for problem for the inverse variation. And we hope to see you in our classroom. This is going to be the second part of our discussion.